Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek informed that the newly elected President, Meghalaya BJP, Rickman Momin, is on his way to Delhi with the list to get approval from the central leadership on the constitution of the new Executive Committee EC. He said that the national leadership will decide on the new EC. Deliberating on him being one of the probable candidates for the MP elections, Hek said that there are 3 candidates in the fray and the party will decide on the best candidate for Shillong parliamentary constituency seat.
I spoke to the new elected president. He is on the way to Delhi with the list for sending the list for the approval. Then after the approval of the national leader, they are going to publish in the name of the new state executive member of BJP. I don't know the other name, including my name, the 3 candidates. I don't know who are the 2 names. So we'll see among the 3 names who will be the best choice for contesting for Lok Sabha seats from Shillong parliamentary constituency.